Hello guys, this is MD Hassan from Website Guru. In this video, we're gonna learn how to install WordPress website. So to install WordPress, you need to go to your cPanel dashboard. When you go to your cPanel dashboard, you'll see the page like that. Now scroll down, you'll find an option Subtocolos Apps Installer. So click it. Now there, you'll find an option WordPress. Here, click install. Now scroll down. Yes, site settings. If you want to change your site name and site description, you can change from here or you can change it later. Now admin account, you need to put a username and password. You need to remember or note it down your username and password because you need it to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now scroll down. If you want to change use language, you can change from here. And if you want to change your WordPress theme, you can change here or later. So click install and scroll up. So guys, this is a confirmation message. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now we have WordPress dashboard URL. So click it. Yeah, this is our WordPress dashboard. Now log out and we can see here this is a login information. So your username and your password. Check the box remember me, then login. So guys, this is your WordPress install system. In the next video, we'll show you how to install WordPress plugin. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.